Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Seac Zoom Fin. So this is a great starter if you're just starting out in snorkeling. It's a fantastic starter fin. It's nice and compact, it's very lightweight so you can travel with it very effectively. It's virtually flat as well so you can pack it really easily. And because it's not too long, it's not going to feel cumbersome if it's your first ever fin. So this is an open heel design, which means that you have a separate heel strap. This is adjustable. As you can see, you have different attachment points, so you can tighten it or loosen it depending on the size of your foot. And this is going to hold your foot in position and give you more of a custom fit, so you don't have to fit into a generic foot pocket. Foot pocket itself is made out of a soft rubber, so it's very comfortable. You can wear this barefoot or you can wear it as some kind of neoprene sock. The underside of the foot pocket extends quite far down to the back of your heel, so your foot's always covered. If you're trying to walk around with them, you've got a decent amount of grip. Just take care, of course, when you're wearing fins and you're trying to walk upright. So either side of the foot pocket, you can see we have some rails that attach to the foot pocket and move all the way down towards the tip of the fin. These are going to help transfer energy from your foot to the main blade of the fin, and they also act to trap water so it doesn't slide over the side. It's going to trap it, channel it, and move it down towards the tip of the fin. So the tip of the fin, as you can see, has a soft material just at the tip in a V shape. This is to mimic nature. This is what we call a bit of a fishtail tip. The overall shape of it is a traditional paddle, which is just going to force water out of the way. But by channeling the fin and changing the tip of the fin, it's going to help stop tracking along with these rails so that each fin kick is going to stay nice and straight and true. The underside of the blade just mirrors the top side, and as you can see, we've got a bit of grip moving down the bottom of the foot pocket. So all in all, a great starter fin, or if you're an experienced snorkeler, you just want a small, compact, flat little pair of fins, these are the Seac Zoom Fins. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.